Hello, students. How are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher Nancy Pandey. So, students, today I am here with a remaining part of exercises of chapter number 1, that is types of plants. So students, in our previous video, we have done the filling the blanks, match the columns and the give two examples for each of the following. I hope you have completed the question number A, B and C in your fair copy. Now let's come to the question number D. Choose the correct option. So students, here 4 options are given in each question. You have to choose the correct one that is suitable for the question. The first one is, which of these are small plants with woody stems? So students, in the explanation of chapter, you had learned about types of plants. So there are many types of plants based on different size and different type of stem. Some plants are small and have woody stems are called shrubs. So students, here your correct answer is shrubs, because trees are big and strong and herbs are small with soft stem, and climbers and creepers have very weak stem. So here our answer is shrubs. So you have to take the option number B, shrubs. Now let's come to the second one. Which of these is not true about climbers? So students, let's read the option number A. They have weak stems. So students, you know very well climbers have weak stems. So this is true statement. Now let's come to the option number B. They need support to grow upright. So my dear students, this is also an correct statement for climbers. Now let's come to the option number C. They grow along the ground. So students, in the explanation of types of plants, you learn that creepers are plants with weak stem and they grow along the ground. So the option number C is not true about climbers. So here our correct option is option number C. So you have to tick the option number C. Let's come to the question number C. Which of these makes food for the plant? So my dear students, in the explanation of topic parts of a plant, you had learned about the function of a parts of a plant. So the function of root is to fixes the plant to the ground, and the function of stem is to carries water and food to all other parts of the plant. And the function of leaf is to make food for the plant. So students, option number C is our correct answer for this question. So you have to tick the option number C. Leaf makes food for the plant. Now let's come to the fourth one. What does green plant need to make its own? So students, you know very well green plants make their own food. They need light, air and water for making food. So students, here in option A sunlight, in option B air and in option C all are correct for this question. So you have to tick the option number D, that is all of these. Now let's come to the fifth one. Where do plants store their extra food? So students, as you know that some plants store extra food in their body parts like roots, stems, leaves, fruits and seeds. So here option number A, B and C all are correct. So you have to take the option number D, that is all of these. Now let's come to the question number C. This is the part that becomes a fruit. So the function of a flower is it is a colorful part of plant that produce fruits. So here our correct answer is flower. So you have to tick the option number D. Now let's come to the question number E. Answer the following questions. So let's read the question number 1. Name 5 different types of plants according to their shapes and sizes. So my dear students, you know very well plants are based on the different size and different type of stem. There are 5 types of plants according to their shape and sizes. The first one is trees, second is shrubs, the third one is herbs, fourth is climbers and the last one is a creepers. So this is the answer for question number first. Now let's come to the question number 2. Name any 5 main parts of a plant. So students, you know a plant has many parts like flower, leaf, seed, fruit, stem and root. So here you have to write only 5 main parts of a plant: flower, leaf, seed, fruit, stem and root. You have to write any 5. Now let's come to the question number 3. Why do plants need roots? So students, plants need root because it is the part that fixes the plant to the ground and it also takes in water and other things needed by the plant. So this is the answer for question number 3. Now let's come to the question number 4. What do green plants need to make food? So my dear students, as you know that green plants make their own food. So to make their own food, they need light, air and water. So here you have to write light, air and water in the answer of question number 4. I hope you understand these exercises by this video. You have to write these exercises in your fair copy and you have to learn all these. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.